G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. I'm here with Heather. We're going to check this one out and see what's here. As you can see, they've removed what I think to be an old olive tree here. Not too sure. And it looks like they've also removed the panels under here as well. You can see it's a gable roof. It's an unusual design. It's kind of like a wooden design plus a bit of a Tudor style to it. Just a quick look inside. As you can see, there's a shed here. And then down the back, it looks like they had a rumpus room, what we call a rumpus room in Australia. A lot of fruit trees here, some lemons there and mandarins or oranges there. This is really interesting. Wow. Oh, check it out. Lime green walls. Something you don't see every day. Oh, look at that. That is a very interesting light feature. Love the design on it. It looks like it's sort of come out of a jungle setting. That's really cool. Over here we have some plaster little casts up on the wall. Looks like an angel there. Another angel up the top. And a third there. Very intriguing place. So this might have been like a games room or a spare room perhaps. It's a big yard and I think perhaps, just perhaps, they were going to build something else right here as well, because you do have plumbing already set in the ground. That's interesting. Wood panels. This is interesting. Here we go. Okay, so starting off here, folks, with the kitchen. What remains of it? Looks like it's a renovated style kitchen, this one. Definitely not original. I would say early 2000s. Go down this end first. Got a lonesome toilet. Oh, I wonder if this was the master bedroom or maybe not. It's not quite big enough, but it's reasonable. Huge wardrobe and storage spaces there. What remains of the bathroom, unfortunately, looks like all of the plumbing has been torn out already. Love the old frosted glass here. It's pretty cool. Very different style windows, these ones. Would have been the basin there. Unfortunately, that's gone. Small office perhaps in here, or a very small bedroom. Not a lot left. Lime green and light purple kind of walls here. Someone's left giant fingerprints there on the floor. Nice carpet. These fans are fairly modern too. In fact, most of this house appears to have had reasonably good renovations done in its time. I mean, this here cannot be more than about 5 years old. The split system. Seems wasteful, doesn't it? All goes in demolition. We'll go down this end. Now here's that front of the property here. And you can see quite a beautiful lounge and entertaining area here. TV would have been in the centrepiece of that, and then this gorgeous log fire. That's a real log fire, folks. Always love those. Not much decoration for the mantelpiece. But I do love the floorboards here, and the front door looks really beautiful too. That little logo. And perhaps over here would have been the dining table area. It's an intriguing place. And unfortunately slated for demolition. Just like so many of these older properties, they don't last. Let's have a look in here. Okay, so here's the old shed, folks. Oh wow, it's like a money bag, I think, for Chinese New Year. That's cool. Something here written in Chinese as well. Don't know what it is. All sorts of bits and pieces in this little shed. Not a lot left though. Interesting design, this whole home, because like I say, it kind of feels like part of it is very 1960s, and then other parts of it are far more modern than that, so I don't know. There's even a mirror on the outside. That's pretty cool. There's the front again. That's interesting, there's synthetic turf here in the front, so I don't know if that was an area for perhaps children to play in, or perhaps there was a little outdoor setting here. You can see there's balustrades being made out of an old pallet actually. That's pretty clever. Very clever indeed. Very 1960s/70s, these particular rock walls here. And there's what remains of the power supply. As you can see, it's completely cut out and left to rot. Bubbling paint. So there you go, folks. It's a little look around this particular home in the eastern suburbs of Adelaide, and soon to probably become apartments or something like that. Nothing seems to last forever, that's for sure.